G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 20, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. Got the weekly, daily and hourly, so let's look at each of these. On the weekly, first off, you can see here our CCI 1500 is broken up and still moving to the upside in a bullish mode. After it bounced down here, we drew a Fibonacci range and it bounced off that, almost off that 61%, which is always a key area to look out for in the Fibonacci ranges. So it's making further upside after that bounce. And if we drill down on the daily, you can see there in that smaller Fibonacci range, it's also now, actually sorry, this one here, this Fibonacci range, it's actually broken up and landed on that 61% level. So we've got a minor resistance formed there at the moment at 1982. Of course, you can go higher. You'll see the CCI 150 is broken up, and the CCI 400, which is our major trend indicator, is starting to break up as well. So we need, for this to break up fully, by that stage we'll see it break above the 61%, which is again a key area to look out for in Fibonacci's. Alternatively, it can bounce from there, in which case we'll see a bit of a retrace to the downside. But weekly is bullish, and daily is breaking up into a bullish mode as well, especially if it breaks above that 61%. On the hourly, you can see there on our 400 trend indicator, it's still moving quite bullishly. We did have and this is our CCI divergence indicator. You can see there we had a bullish divergence versus the price. It bounced up and hit our target. And since then we've projected, there was a bearish divergence here, but that failed. And we extended it. Now there's another bearish divergence here. And that's still in play because that level there is lower than that. So as long as that CCI remains in a downtrend, then we want to see this. We want to see that as well as the, if the CCI remains in a downtrend, we're going to consider that as a bearish divergence. So we're going to move that target. We're going to move that target to that area there, the 23 to 38% level. And that could be just a small retrace to the downside before making further upside moves. So at the moment, it's a slight bullish movement on the gold price, but just be mindful there might be a bit of a retrace to the downside with this divergence playing out. For this divergence to fail, as I always say, we need to see the CCI break higher than that point there, like it did back here. See that went higher than that point, so it invalidated that divergence. In this case, if that goes higher than that point there, it's going to invalidate, in which case we'll see the price rise further. And that'll also align up with the fact that we've got the daily, it's currently sitting at the 61%, and by that stage we'll see it rise higher as well if that divergence fails. So at the moment, carefully going long in line with the weekly and daily, but just be mindful of this bearish divergence. So just be mindful of that. We'll keep an eye on that and let you know how it goes. If it actually retraces, in which case, if it does retrace, it may fall further than this area, or it may bounce from this area. So we'll keep an eye on that and see how it goes. So if you got value out of the video, hit the subscribe and the like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.